Okay, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, and Responding Fire. We're going to be talking about the severe weather potential coming up this week on this Friday. And I'll show some cities up there. And you see Roanoke's in there. And you go further east with the enhanced risk. We'll talk about how this is all going to fare out probabilistically. You can see that this is going to definitely be a 15 to 30% chance, which is a higher risk for the area. So Roanoke down to the Raleigh to the Virginia Beach area, up to DC, down to Florida. Severe weather risk. Main risk will be damaging winds. Tornadoes can't be ruled out, as it will be the low pressure will be nearby in some locations, which will effectively add more rotation to the atmosphere, such as Roanoke, such as Lynchburg, Danville, High Point, North Carolina, Greensboro, areas like that. And then as you go further to the east, you get more moisture available and more twist. You're going to have the opportunity there for severe weather. So that's what we're looking at right now. We'll be looking now into the model data. And as you see, we'll get downright violent looking here coming up with a low pressure cranking right here. So here's the thing, it's going to move right along the area. This is why I think this is going to be a potential area for tornadoes because of the rotating potential there. We're actually going to zoom in and try to get a sounding on that. But let me also go to something else. Go over to significant tornado perimeter, which we looked at before last week. So we'll see where the STP sits at. And obviously, look at this. It's the yellow and the reds again creeping up into the area. So the significant tornado perimeter is also there. So that's a little bit of concern I would have if I was in the Roanoke Valley, a little bit south of that. Southeast winds bumping into the west, it's just going to cause potential rotation again. And that's what we're looking at. And like you see here, it's got a nice rounding shape. So the potential is there for supercells 3.1. Tornado potential is there for varying winds, change in height here in the Roanoke Valley. So, and like I said, the STP is, or significant tornado perimeter, is awful high. Let me pull that there again. Look at that, right around. Let's see. We're talking about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon will be the best chance for that. So, like I said, this is serious stuff you got to look at again Friday. You know, people say, "Hey, we didn't get any tornadoes or even damaging winds." Well, some places did, and the atmosphere was ripe for it, and it will be ripe again Friday. So we urge you to not take anything lightly when we tell you about the severe weather. So we'll talk to you more as we go along, but be very clear that Friday will be a day that'll be a little bit much more active. Chances of severe weather, specifically damaging winds, but tornadoes can't be ruled out either. As we get closer, we'll give you a better update. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.